It can directly replace heating equipment such as boilers, natural gas, etc. Indoor docking various forms of heating and cooling methods. The Wi-Fi smart heat pump uses intelligent cloud technology. Users can control their heat pump via cloud data center. The multifunctional combination design can meet the needs of use in various situations and realize a multi-purpose machine.
Hello everybody, welcome to our live streaming. Hello dear friend, this is Abel. It is very nice to see you guys again in September. It has been a long time since we last saw each other face to face, and I know many of you guys are just back from vacation and holiday. Hope you all get a very good relax and a good time. And with all the pressures off now, we are able to talk about the realistic. Actually, in our city, the fall is coming and the weather is getting colder and cooler. And you guys can tell that this summer, we really went to a very high temperature, right? For us, the highest temperature is at 45 degrees. Can you believe that? Actually, according to the climate scientists said that even the summer of the hottest summer on record, it will be the coolest summer in the future. And it is apparent that the rest of the coming winter will also be particularly cold. So back to the topic. That is why I am here with our machine, the new production R32 DC inverter monoblock heat pump. And just as the slogan says, the best choice for the warehouse. As we mentioned earlier, it may be very difficult for our European friends to use the original heating method this winter, so technology is advancing and our newly developed R32 monoblock heat pump is a very good choice. So why choose our R32 heat pump? As you can see from the GWP, R32 is the second most energy-saving and environment-friendly refrigerant among all the refrigerants we can choose now. If we look at the development history of refrigerant, as you can see from the GWP, R32 is the second most energy-saving and environment-friendly refrigerant among all the refrigerants we can choose now. If we look at the development history of refrigerant, we can know that both the government and the society advocate environmental protection refrigerant. So from the original R22 to R410 and to R32 now, we have made great progress and improvement in the development of environmental protection energy. Compared to the refrigerants widely used today, such as R22 and 410A, R32 has a global warming potential that is the 2/3 lower and it is remarkable for its low environmental impact, which speeds up its popularity in the industry. R32 is the next generation refrigerant that effectively carries heat and has lower environmental impact, zero ODP and low GWP. It is announced by the European Commission that all the equipment containing fluorinated greenhouse gases should be under the EU F-gas regulation. So our heat pump has many advantages and features. So firstly, our R32 heat pump have multiple applications: floor heating, hot water for the house, also bathroom, washroom, kitchen, etc. And next, we have multiple models available. We have 220 voltage and 380 voltage choices. We have 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt, and 18 kilowatt for both voltages. Thirdly, it is suitable for the room size from 100 square meter to 200 square meter. It can operate normally at a temperature of minus 25 degrees in winter. Also, our product allows Wi-Fi control, so it is very easy to operate. What's more, it is also very easy to install. We have a user menu. After receiving the goods, you can install your heat pump according to the menu. Also, our components of our R32 heat pump are all from very famous brands, such as the compressor. It is from Mitsubishi DC compressor. Also, we use hydrophilic aluminum foil to prevent thin corrosion. Noise level is also lower than 55 dB. The result is tested with a 1 meter. And last but not least, we can supply a 1-year warranty, so you don't have to worry the after service. We also adapt intelligence defrosting traditional defrosting method. Traditional defrosting method is with fixed defrosting time and start temperature. Once the ambient temperature reaches or is lower than minus 7 degrees, the unit will start defrosting, and it is very easy to cause energy wasting when there is no defrost, and will reduce the heating performance at the same time. So our intelligent defrosting methods uses the pressure sliding. Our intelligent defrosting methods uses testing sliding defrosting technology. It figures out the exact defrosting time and start pressure according to the real ambient temperature. It saves energy and makes the heat pump work in high efficiency. Secondly, our heat pump is very energy saving. With the use of inverter compressors, brushless DC fan motors, and the smart full controlled method, the units can regulate the running capacity. With no frequent startups and stop runnings, the unit works in stable condition with high efficiency. The energy consumption is 30% less than that of standard heat pump units. Thirdly, powerful heating at minus 25 degrees ambient temperature. Our all-in-one monoblock DC inverter heat pump adopts Mitsubishi high-efficiency DC inverter compressor and the DC inverter brushless motor, which combined with SmartFull DC controlling assures the motor speed and the refrigerant flow can be adjusted in real time according to the changes of environment and ensures the system can also provide powerful heating under severe cold climate. Fourth, speed up heating and cooling time. When there is a large difference between the actual temperature and the programmed temperature, the unit can run at a higher frequency to make fast heating or cooling to increase or decrease the temperature rapidly. Number 5, no forcing at the bottom. With the use of the special liquid distribution technology, in heating mode, the temperature of refrigerant in the air exchanger's bottom copper tube will not decrease in order to ensure no frosting on it and smooth drainage. Then there is one auxiliary electric heating belt on the base which can prevent water from freezing. 6. Compact design. Our DC inverter heat pump also adopts a compact structure design. The internal pipeline layout is reasonable. The design fully considers the principles of fluid mechanics and vibration to avoid the impact of excessive stress points on vibration. And combines aesthetic, morphological elements. The pipeline design is straight in horizontal and vertical, effectively reduce the loss of life of the machine caused by the vibration of the pipeline and reduce the running noise of the machine. So you may wonder what more we can prove the quality of our R32 DC inverter heat pump. We have won technology R&D award. We have sold to many countries, hot sale in Europe with CE certificate and ROHS certificate. R32. So you may be curious what more we can prove that our quality is the best among all the DC inverter heat pumps. We have won technology R&D award. We have sold to many countries, hot sale in Europe with CE certificate and ROHS certificate. R32 is the best choice, and the air-to-water heat pump is the best alternative choice to gas heating in this winter. It can connect it with your earlier water pipe and current water tank. Convenient and easy to installation as long as your house has power and the heat pump can be running. Our heat pump is the best choice no matter on the price and the quality. We have designed the heat pump with the European weather in mind. Our heat pump can operate normally at a temperature of -25 degrees, and the water temperature can reach to 55 degrees. You can set the temperature you need with this temperature controller. Also, if you are in a different room, you can set the temperature of other rooms and the temperature of the bath water through Wi-Fi, which will be more intelligent. The noise level of our heat pump is very low. Within the test, Within the test range of 1 meter, the noise is less than 55 dB. You can see that we have wrapped sound insulation cotton on the outside of the compressor and also wrapped sound in insulation cotton inside the shell, which can largely reduce the noise when the machine is running. In addition, the sound insulation cotton on the outside of the compressor can also be insulated in winter to ensure the efficient operation of the compressor. You can take a look at the fan of the heat pump. Its piece distance is very large, so as to improve the airflow, so that it can give the machine a good heat dissipation and provide operational efficiency. The compressor we use DC inverter Mitsubishi, which is also very efficient because it can adjust according to the capacity needs in different temperatures. Factory testing before shipping, we will conduct power tests and water temperature tests before leaving the factory to ensure that the heat pump you buy is qualified. Easy to install. Our heat pump, all English logo. The factory will be equipped with the sensing line you need to install. When you receive the heat pump, all you need to do is connect the wire, connect the water pipe so you can turn on the machine. If you don't know what kind of model is suitable for your house, you can leave a message about the size of the house and how many people in the family so that our professional engineers can help you calculate the choice of right model. There are some parts you need to that are unnecessary for our R32 DC inverter monoblock heat pump. All of our components, our parts of our product are all very high quality. So first is the compressor. The compressor we choose for the heat pump is from Mitsubishi DC inverter high efficiency compressor. It is from a very famous Japanese brand, so the quality is one of the best. Also, we use inverter dual rotor compressor, lower noise, longer life, and more efficient. The motor we use is brushless DC inverter motor for increasing fan performance and reliability. Brand plate, a braze plate, or tube in shell heat exchanger, which is operational. It is of high efficiency with anti-corrosion protection. Also, there are some necessary parts you need to install with our R32 DC inverter monoblock heat pump. First is buffer tank, also hot water tank if you want to heat domestic water in your bathroom or other rooms. Also, we need circulation pump, booster pump, electric three-way valve, Y-type filter, stop valve, one-way valve, water distributor, water collector, and also connecting water pipe. Our heat pump can be used under the temperature of -25 degrees in winter, so the water temperature can also reach to 55 degrees, which is very high temperature, enough for the house heating. Also, our production time and transport time is about 20 to 30 days. So in October, you can receive your goods. Now, so if you place an order now in our live streaming, we will arrange the delivery and the production for you very fast. The installation and use is very simple. It is the best alternative to gas heating. If you are worried that this winter will be very cold, why not buy R32 heat pump right now? It has high heating energy and efficient operation ability. It is your best choice. If you always hesitate, then wait until winter comes. You can only choose to buy local high-price products. So no matter what, as long as you are watching our live, as long as you are interested, you can send us a message and we will answer your questions and give you to answer your questions. Also, don't forget to give us many likes. Thank you very much.
Yes, please.
And the price for today is very low. So if you are interested, you can place an order now in our live streaming room. All models of our heat pump, we can give at least $500 discount for you.
Yeah, and our product is DC inverter monoblock heat pump, and it has a variety of functions. The most important function are heating, floor heating, and also for the radiator heating, and it can also supply the hot water. And now the winter is coming soon. These two functions are very important to your friends to this friend in our live room. So if you're really interested in it, please send us your message. And leave your comments in the comment area.
Yes.
Give us more and more likes.
Thank you everyone.
Yes, and welcome all the friends in our live room. This is Suki, and
This is Abel.
Yes, we are today showing you about our DC inverter monoblock R32 heat pump. Of course, R32 is a very powerful and very environmental refrigerant, and it is widely accepted in the European countries. So that is okay if you use R32. And also it has variety functions, floor heating, hot water heating, and also it can can supply the cooling air in summer. So the winter is coming soon, right? And these two functions with floor heating and hot water supply is very important for the friends in our live room with this machine in winter. So if you are interested, please send us your message and leave us your contact number. We will reply to you as soon as possible. And also this, we have so many models. This model is 8 kilowatt. Yeah, 8 kilowatt one is suitable for the house with 100 square meter area. And also it is okay to use for the family domestic hot water use. So you can buy this machine for 2 usage. It is a very good deal. And we also have 10 kilowatt, and we also have 12 kilowatts, 15 kilowatts, and 18 kilowatts. This is all okay for the home use type. And the biggest house that we ever done is 200 square meters. So if you have the bigger house, you may need several of these heat pumps. Yeah, it is okay, and it can these several models can meet different room sizes. And if you don't know what model is suitable for you, and you can just leave your comments in the comment area, and you can also ask our professional engineer to choose the right model for you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Just as we mentioned, our heat pump has many models. If you don't know, you can tell us, and we will choose the perfect one for your room, and you can use it for this upcoming winter. You don't have to suffer the cold weather. We know some European countries, friends from European countries, may cannot use their traditional gas heating devices this winter.
Yes.
Due to the situation we both know. So I think our R32 heat pump is a perfect replacement for other heating devices since it is clean, it is efficient. Also, the most important thing is our heat pump is very cost effective. Not only the price for today, but also when you replace other heating devices, you can know that our products use much less electricity than other devices.
Yes.
So one is that our price is very, very low today. We give everyone in our live streaming room a $100 discount. And also, second is that when you use our product, you will save a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
So everyone, if you are interested, please let us know, and we will see what we can do for you.
Yeah. And also, our heat pump has sold to many countries, and this one is a wholesale model in Europe. And it with CE certificate and ROHS certificate, so you don't need to worry about the qualities of our products. And as we said that heat pump is the best alternative choice to gas heating in this winter, and it can be this machine can connect it with your earlier water pipe and current water tank. So it is very convenient, and it can save much more cost for the whole system if you want to replace the old gas heating machine. And also it is very easy to installation. As long as your house has AC power, and the heat pump can be running very easily, and it can realize mobile phone control through Wi-Fi. We have the app. You can add this app on your smartphone, and you can control it with a very long distance. It is okay. And if you are at your office and will be back home soon, and you can use the app to control this machine to running first, and to supply you warm temperature when you get in this house. It is also okay. So it is very convenient, and it is very energy saving and power saving. Our heat pump also has all the sign of English, and it has the English instruction, so you don't need to worry. It is very difficult for you and very hard for you to do the installation, and also it is very easy to operate. And we also supply 1-year warranty, so the quality is absolutely okay.
Welcome first, man. Also, Claire Zhang from China. Welcome.
Welcome. And also, as we said, we have the controller for each of our heat pump. This controller look like this type. The controller.
Yeah.
This is the actual controller, and which with the screen on it. It has a very simple mark on it, and you don't need to worry about the languages. And this is the parameters that we did our earlier temperature test, and so you can see the details on it. The water temperature can reach to 55. It is very easy to achieve. So, and you can install the heat pump outside of your house and the controller inside of the room, and you can control the heat pump running inside of your room. It is very easy to achieve this kind of situation. And also we will give all of our clients in our live room who order our heat pump with an 8 meters long of wire to connect with this sensor, in case that you have a long distance with this machine with the water pipe. It's very long from your door, from your house. So I think 8 meter is long enough, and if you really have the distance with longer than 8 meters, you may need to consider about all the heating capacity losses, right? And you don't need to worry about the whole system running kind of thing. We considered all.
Welcome, our new friend from Pakistan. Welcome.
Welcome, and for all your clients in our live room, we will give $100 of coupon of each machine of the R32 heat pump, especially used on our R32 heat pump. It is a very good discount. So if you're interested in buy a heat pump, you can get our coupon first and by visiting our Alibaba store and get the coupon, and then you can use this coupon when you buy our heat pump. Okay, and you can.
Yes, as you can see, the display in front, our heat pump allows Wi-Fi control, which is very, very convenient. So after receiving the good and the installation of our product, you can also install an app on your phone so you can control it through your phone of the heat pump. It is very convenient. Also, our R32 heat pump can normally operate at the temperature of -25, even -30 degrees, so which is a really, really low temperature. I don't think many countries, many regions can reach this low temperature. So I think it is enough for you to, use for this winter or next few years, even 10 years. The quality is the best. As we mentioned, we have CE certificate also.
Yes.
ROHS certificate, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Also, we can supply a 1-year warranty, so even after receiving the goods,
Yes.
if you have any questions, concerns, you can also contact us, and we will try our best to solve your problems. And yeah, so the service and the product is the top tier.
Yes.
So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below and we will answer your questions. Also, don't forget to give us likes and also hit the follow button, the orange follow button on the top of your screen. Thank you very much.
And also, as we said that gas heating may be not available to use in this winter. I don't know about the other winters, but this winter it may be very hard to use. So that is very important that you looking for another way to heating your house in winter, and I think most of the countries that which if you are not in that Africa, this kind of hot weather, and or South Asia, this kind of hot weather, so you may need this heat pump. And as long as that you have the winter temperature is -10 degree, you will need this heat pump to warm your house. Also, compare with the refrigerants that widely used today, which we have already banned the R32 in Europe these days, and
welcome Kevin and Hamdi.
also the R4410, which will be banned to use in the like next year or the next year may be banned because I have saw the news about it. So the R32 has a global warming potential that is the 2/3 lower, and it is remarkable for its lower environmental impact, right? And it is very good for our European friends who care the whole environmental and care our earth. It can speed up this property, and in this industry, it's more environmental friendly and energy efficient. So it is a very good option choice, right?
Welcome everyone. Welcome Kevin. Are you still here? I have saw you have viewed our page of our heat pump. So are you interested? If you have question, you can leave comment and I will answer your questions. Okay. Yeah, just like we have mentioned, our heat pump have many models from 8 kilowatt to 18 kilowatts. So these models are divided according to different sizes of your household. So if you don't know which model is suitable for your home, you can tell us how many squares of your household, and we will choose the best one that suits you for you. Okay. Also, our product allows Wi-Fi control, so it is very convenient, and we have many advantages. Just like we said, R32 is the next generation refrigerant compared with other refrigerant. It is clean, non-toxic, also stable and cost-effective. So I think this is the best choice for our European friend who likes environmental friendly products. This is absolutely the perfect one for you to choose. Okay. Also, all the spare parts and components of our R32 heat pump are from very famous brand, also good quality. For the compressor we use is from Japanese brand, famous Japanese brand Mitsubishi, right?
Yes, Mitsubishi.
The quality is very good, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Also, the noise level of our R32 DC inverter heat pump is less than 55 dB. The result is tested within 1 meter. Other suppliers, their results are normally tested within 5 meters, and their results are still higher than us. So you don't have to worry about the noise level of the product. When you are resting, when you are chilling in your room, you will not hear a noise of our product. So it is very quiet, not noisy like other products, right?
Yes.
So if you are interested, if you are have problems, please leave a comment. Also, our price for today's R32 heat pump is very low. For this one, this model is 8 kilowatt model, which is suitable for 5 to no 80 to 100 square meters. So if your home size is about this range, within this range, you can choose 8 kilowatt model products. For example, air conditioners or even the refrigerators. When they are running, they will humming in your home, so you can't fall asleep when you hear a noise. But with our product, you don't have to worry about this problem because our product, the dB is less than 55. Also, this machine is installed outside of your room, so you will hear no noise at all. Also, as you can see, our product allows Wi-Fi control. So when you if you place an order today in our streaming room, after the installation of our R32 heat pump, you can also install an app on your smartphone. Then you can control it on your smartphone when connected with Wi-Fi, which is very convenient. Also, we have a controller you can install on your wall, which is also convenient. It is very easy to operate, also easy to understand. You can see there are many different modes. The right sound is represents the function of heating. Also, the no snowflake represents the function of cooling. Also, if you want to heat domestic hot water in your home, you can also equip with a water tank in your room, so you can realize domestic water heat for example in your bathroom, also kitchen, we can all realize. So you don't have to worry about there's no hot water to use in this winter. You can take a warm shower every day, also doing dishes or washing dishes in your kitchen with very hot, warm water comfortably, right? So if you are interested in our product, you can leave a comment. Also, if you are interested, you can also leave a comment and we will answer your questions and
Yeah.
see what we can do for you.
Yes, and also about this machine, it has a very low working noise, right?
Yeah.
The noise level of our heat pump is very low. Within the test range of 1 meter, the noise is less than 55 dBs, right? It is
Yeah.
extra low temperature, extremely low temperature. You can see that we have added this temperature level on the heat pump. So if you check it, if you received it, you will saw it. And also, it can reduce the noise and give you a very quiet house, right?
Yeah.
Give you a very quiet house. And each of our heat pump will be professional tested before leaving our factory. We will test its power and its noise level and its pressure and the temperature, so there is no need to worry about the quality problems. And we can give you all the friends in our live room with 1 year warranty, so that you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
And let's see how easy that you can control this. You can control this machine, right? With this heat pump and the it all light up with the when it is raining. So this is the picture. The actually when the heat pump is raining, the controller is showing like this.
And
Right?
this is actual controller which is
Yeah.
clear on your screen, so we have an enlarged picture.
Yes, so this machine, it has a set temperature of the all-light temperature of 60 degree, and that means the heat pump will heat the water to 60 degree, then go to your room, and then go to your water tank, and the water in temperature is 55 degree. That is the circulation water in the whole system. So it means a little, when we do this test, it has a little heating loss, so the temperature has a little difference. But when it is actually raining, actually the water in temperature is lower than 55 degrees. That is no problem. That means it has a very good heating performance inside of your house. And also this is the actual time at your local place. And this is a running logo of the compressor, of the fan, and of the water pump. So when there is something error on these main companions, you can see this don't light up. Then you can find where is the mistake is. So it is very easy to solve on the whole controller. And it has the mode over there, the open button and the close button, minus and the plus button, and the mode button and the setting button. So it is very easy to understand, and I think you are smart, so you will figure out how to use this kind of controller, right? And for the remote control, that we have the app. We have the app on this remote controller, and so you can check the app when you receive it. You can add the app on your smartphone and control this whole machine for the open and close and the running temperature by your phone. So you can. It is very easy to achieve that, right?
Yes. Definitely.
Yes, and if you, for other friends in our live room, if you really like our live room and really interested in R32 heat pump, please
Give
hit.
us many likes.
Yes, please hit the follow button. Follow us, and also please give us more and more likes.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much.
I think most people, when you when you decide to purchase one product, there must be three elements that are essential for you to choose, because one is quality, two is price, also and the third is service. So for one, our product the quality of our product will never be a problem. For our, the components of our R32 heat pump, they are very very high quality. We have mentioned the compressor is from a very big famous Japanese brand, Mitsubishi. You must hear it, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Also, the valves are from Sanhua or Danfoss. They are all famous brands, so you don't have to worry about the quality. The material we use are all anti-corrosion material. So if you use our product for a long time, like for 5, 6, 7 years, the product will still be running and operate normally like a new machine, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Also, we have CE certificate, also ROHS certificate. What's more, all of our products have been tested before delivery. So, this tested. You don't have to worry about what if you receive the goods that are of low quality. That will never happen. Second, our price today, we have said many times, the price for today is very low. For example, our 8 kilowatt model, normally our price is about 2,000 US dollar, but for today, we have a very big discount for you guys.
Yes.
1,500 US dollars. Also, if any of you guys place an order in our live streaming, any of your friends place an order in our live streaming today, we will all give you an extra coupon, 100 US dollars coupon, which is very cheap. 100 US dollar is so much for me. I think it's also so much for many of our friends. So please don't hesitate to place an order in our live streaming today. The cheap, we have said many times, the price for today is very low. We are a factory. There's no the other parties involved. So you can place an order if you are interested.
Yeah.
Third, the service. We have said after you place an order, after you receiving the good, we can supply a 1 year warranty.
Yeah, 1 year.
Yeah.
1 year is okay.
Very long warranty period. So although I have said that our quality is the best, but if still have concerns after receiving the goods, after the installation of our R32 DC inverter heat pump in your home, you can contact us anytime, and we have professional engineers, also technicians, to solve your problems. We give you the best solution we can. Also, before you place an order, if you don't know which one to choose, as we mentioned, we have many models from 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 15, 18 kilowatts. These models are divided according to different sizes of your home. So I know the sizes of households may differ very greatly. So you may have a 100 square meters home. Some may have like 500 square meters home. But you don't have to worry this problem. We have many models to choose. Many combination you can choose for your home. So if you really don't know which one to choose, you can contact us, leave a comment, or directly leave message on our page, and we will solve your problem for this. Okay.
Yes. And also, if you are interested in being our distributors in your country, you can leave us the message and send us 10 messages by Alibaba, and we will give you a free sample for 40 GP heat pump purchase quantity and free OEM service. I know heat pumps are all the range right now in in your country. So that is a good opportunity to make some money, right?
Yeah.
And as Abel just said before, it has many advantages of our R32 heat pump, and so you don't need to worry about the quality. And we have already done the running test, and we have sold many to the European countries. That is very easy to. That is very easy for the installation and operation. So for your information, it is a good opportunity to buy an R32 heat pump for your house and R32 heat pump for your family with a new energy power source and with Wi-Fi control and remote controller. So with all the details that you will need, you can leave us your comments in the comment area. Please give us more and more likes and share this live room to your friends if you're really interested in it. And it is really a hit now for the R32 heat pump, right?
Yes.
Yes. So when you're looking at the others, they have already have the R32 heat pump for their housewarming, and that you don't have one, and at that time you want to buy one, the delivery time will be long, and the price will be higher. It's cost so many. So if I'm you, I will choose to buy one right now, right here in our live room for the very good price and very good delivery time. So if you need it, please check it, okay?
Hello everyone. Is there anyone in our live streaming? If you are interested, you can leave a comment. You can chat with us about any topic. But the main topic today is about our R32 heat pump, right? If you are interested, you can leave a comment. Welcome our new client. We are now introducing our house selling product R322 heat pump. We know this for this upcoming winter, the weather will be very, very cold. The climate will be very, very cold, right? If you are now looking for a new replacement to of your older or traditional heating devices, for example, air conditioners or other traditional refrigerant heating devices, gas heating devices, I think our R32 heat pump is the perfect choice for you. It has many advantages. If you want to know, if you are interested, we can give you a brief introduction of it, and then we can supply 1 year warranty also. The price for today is very, very low. It is the best price we can give. We have never give such a low price before. So please don't hesitate to place an order or ask questions about our product today. We will try our best to see what we can do for you. Also, don't forget to give us more and more likes. Also, you can hit the orange follow button on the top of on your screen. Thank you very much. As you can see on the front of the display, our R322 heat pump allows Wi-Fi control, which is very convenient. So after receiving the goods, after the installation of our product, you can also install an app on your phone. Then you can control your heat pump far away, outside of your house, in your workplace. You can also control it on your smartphone, which is very, very convenient. So after a long day of work, on the way home you can control the temperature, increase to decrease the temperature on your smartphone. of our app, and once you step into your home, the room temperature will be warm enough, like high enough to give you a very good, comfortable, relax. So I think this is very, very convenient, also a major advantage of our product, right?
Yes.
Also, this is our controller, so you can also install the controller on your wall, and you can control the temperature in your room.
Yeah.
Also very convenient, and as you can see, these are many symbols on it, many icons on it, which represent different functions. You know, the sun represents the heating function, also the snowflake represents the cooling function. So not only our product can provide, heating function, it can also be used when the summer, when the temperature is very, very high. You can also use our heat pump to make a cooling environment in your home. So this can not only be used in winter but also in summer, which is very great. What's more, you can also heat your domestic hot water by using our heat pump. So if you want to take a warm bath, warm and comfortable shower in winter, you can also install an water tank in your home, and then you can use our heat pump to heat domestic hot water, right? Also, you can see the outlet temperature, temperature on our controller. Actually, the temperature we can realize will be as high as 60 degrees, which is very high. So it is enough to, for this upcoming cold winter. Sorry.
Yes.
And you can see the real time on the screen. You can increase and decrease your temperatures. Also, the M button represents the mode changing function, and you can set setting on the screen too. And we have said before that our R32 DC inverter heat pump can normally operate under the temperature of minus 25 degrees, which even minus 30 degrees, which is a very low temperature. I don't think many countries or regions have this low temperature, but you can use our heat pump for this upcoming winter, so your room will be very, very warm.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you are interested, you can leave a comment. Also have questions, leave a comment. We will answer your questions. Okay. 我们播了1个小时，只有10个人进来。Welcome everyone. Is there anyone in our live streaming? You can leave a comment, let us know. Okay, you can chat with us. Our heat pump has many models and can be used for different voltages. For example, 220 voltages, also 380 voltages. Many models, 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt. Also, the biggest model is 18 kilowatt. So our heat pump is suitable for the household size from 100 square meters, actually 80 square meters to 200 square meters. So if your home size is within this range, you can choose our product. If you don't know which one to choose, you can leave a comment or message us directly, and our engineers will choose a perfect one for you to use. Okay. Also, you can see our product allows Wi-Fi control. You can install an app in your phone. Then you can control the product very easily and conveniently. The noise level of our product is less than 55 dBs. The result is tested within 1 meter. That is because our components inside this machine are the compressor is wrapped with anti-noise cotton around it. So when it is running, the cotton will block all the noise. The compressor is also equipped with anti-vibration springs. That's why our